What we've seen so far is some scary stuff. We can create a backdoor that is not detectable by any antivirus, and then we can deliver it in ways that the target person will not even need to interact, or they'll be fooled into running the file because they're already downloading a file and expecting an executable. So in today's video, we're gonna have a look on how you can prevent that from happening to you. The first thing, make sure you're not being man in the middle. So this is huge because if you're being man in the middle, chances are you're gonna get hacked, because we've seen in the network section how easy it is to hack someone if you're the man in the middle. So use a tool like XARP or use static ARP tables. Don't use networks that you don't know or don't trust. This way you can kind of increase your confidence into your network and into the fact that you're not being man in the middle. Another security precaution is always make sure you're using HTTPS. So even on download pages, on the download link itself, make sure it's a HTTPS link, it's not a HTTP. If it's a HTTPS, then we won't be able to hijack it and backdoor it on the fly. The updates is the same. If the updates are coming from a HTTPS website, then we won't be able to hijack them and make fake updates. Another tool that could be very useful is a tool called WinMD5. Now, every file that is created has a signature, so you can generate a signature for any file. And usually when you download the program, the website that allow you to download that program will also give you a signature or a checksum of that file. So if the file gets modified, such as the way we did in backdoor proxy, so if it gets modified on the way, the MD5 checksum will change as well, because it's calculated from the file and it's a one-way function, so it can't actually be decrypted. So if anybody modifies the file as it's being downloaded or as it's being delivered to you, the MD5's checksum will change, and this way you'll know that someone tampered with this file, and this file is not the original file that you're supposed to receive. This works into many cases and into many scenarios, and it's a very important concept that you need to know. So using the tool is very simple. Now there's tools for Linux and for Windows to do that. You can literally just download the tool and run it. And once you download the tool, you can go on the browse. It doesn't need to be installed. And when you go on the browse, it'll allow you to select a file. And once you do that, then it'll give you the signature of that file. So I'm actually going to select the download file for the tool itself. And if we compare the signature with the signature that they're giving us here, you'll see that it's identical, which means the tool has not been modified as it was downloaded from their website. If you do the same with any file that you download, then you'll know that the file has not been modified and therefore it hasn't been backdoored. So if there's a file in the backdoor, then the backdoor existed on the website where you downloaded it from. So the website itself was serving you a backdoor.